lovers, we were more than sweethearts. It's so hard to understand. Don't know why it happened, don't know how it started. Why should we be strangers after all we've planned? I can't show my face, can't go any place. People stop and stare, it's so hard to bear. Everybody knows you left me, it's the talk of the town. Every time we meet, my heart skips a beat. We don't stop to speak, though it's just a week. Everybody knows you left me, it's the talk of the town. We sent out invitations to friends and relations, announcing our wedding day. Friends and relations gave congratulations. How can you face them? What can you say? Let's make up, sweetheart. We can't stay apart. Don't let foolish pride keep you from my side. How can love like ours be